dear children. Today we will start money chapter. Measurement chapter. Chapter 11, measurements. Money chapter, only that much you have to learn. 10.1 only you have to learn till question number 16. You don't want to study 10.2, 10.3, 10.4 and all. Only this much. Now, in measurement chapter, we are going to study about length. In first standard, second standard, all you have learned about length. Length means distance between 2 points. Only that much is the length. I want to know what are the standard units used to measure length. Anybody? Unit?
Centimeter and
centimeter. Then
meter,
meter. Very good. Then
kilometer,
centimeter.
liter.
Liter is not for length, my dear. It is another one, capacity. Okay. Only centimeter, meter, kilometer. But millimeter is there. That is the shortest length, shortest unit. But that let it be there. We don't want to discuss about millimeter in this chapter. We are going to discuss about centimeter, meter, kilometer. In centimeter, meter, kilometer, which is the shortest unit? Which is a smaller unit?
centimeter.
Centimeter.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, dear. Centimeter is the smallest unit. To measure length of a pen, to measure length of your book, length of your fingers, length of your box, pencil box. All these small lengths are measured in centimeters. Then, which is the biggest unit in centimeter, meter, kilometer? Which is the biggest unit? Which is the largest unit? Kilometer. Very good. Kilometer is the biggest one. Because to measure the longer lengths like distance between two places, length of roads, length of river, length of railway track, all these things are measured in kilometer. We will write in short as km, kilometers. So most probably all the distances and places all will be measured in kilometer. And meter is used to measure length bigger than centimeter, like length of our cloth, when we go to tailor, the cloth is measured in meter, and length of the window, door, your table, all these things are measured in what? Meter. Anybody know 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Yes, those who know, unmute and tell. 1 meter.
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Like that.
Centimeter.
1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. We have to
1000 meter.
you have to keep in mind these two things to do the problems in this chapter. Now no need to open your book. Now no need to open. Just see. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equal to how many centimeter?
200 centimeter.
200 centimeter. 3 meter equal to
300 centimeter.
300 centimeter. So, my dear children, to convert from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100.
Example, rupees 2 paise.
Like rupees 2 paise. Very good. We have to multiply by 100. Now, 1 kilometer equal to how many meter?
100 kilometer.
1 kilometer equal to how many meters?
1000 kilometer.
kilometer.
2 kilometer, 1000 meter. 2 kilometer equal to how many meters?
2000 kilometer.
3 kilometer equal to how many meters?
3000 meters.
So, if you want to convert from kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000. Keep in mind, to convert from kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000 because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. To convert from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter.
Ma'am, should we just put 2 zeros?
Ah, yes. You can do it in a shortcut way. To multiply
4
by 1000,
kilometers,
just
3
put
zeros.
3 zeros along with the given number. To multiply by 100, just put 2
2 zeros.
zeros along with the given number. Now, only this much we have to discuss to do these problems. Please open your workbook, page number 74. Page number 74. Page number 74. And Jiva, please listen. Alan Shaji, please unmute and unmute. Fast. Alan Shaji, please unmute fast. Where are you, my dear? Ah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The unit used to measure the length of a pen is dash. Alan, is it centimeters, meters, kilometers, decimeters? Which is the answer, my dear? Alan, length of a pen, how we will measure? Using centimeters or meters or kilometers or decimeters? My dear, pen is small. So you can use the smallest unit in this. Which is the smallest unit? Centimeter. What will you use? Centimeter. Okay. So option A, all of you write. Option A, centimeters. Please listen the class. So shortest one is centimeters, shortest unit is centimeter. So you can write, you can use centimeters. Option A. Rebecca, please unmute. Alan, please turn on your video and listen, okay? Don't turn off. Now your video is on, now don't turn off. Rebecca, question number 2.
The unit used to measure the length of a river is kilometers.
Which one?
Kilometers.
Kilometers, very good. We will use kilometers to measure the length of a river. Kilometers. Option B. Now, very good dear. You can mute your audio. Now, Jeniza, please read question number 3. Unmute. Question number 3. The unit
To measure the length of
piece of cloth.
a cloth is
Which unit we will use to measure length of clothes? Is it kilometer or meter or gram or liters? Do you know, my dear? Meters. What do you use?
meter.
Very good. M-E-T-R-E-S. Meters. Option A. Very good. Now Arthur Martin, please unmute. Ah,
We
Fourth
can
question.
measure the length in centimeters and inches with a
What is an instrument? We can use.
measuring scale.
Fourth question, option B,
Yes.
scale. We can
Scale.
use the length in centimeter because in your scale, the ruler, centimeter is written. So using
And in distance.
you can use scale.
Yes.
Option B. Now, Jonath, please unmute and read the next question. Arthur, very good. You can mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Jonath, fifth question.
Length longer than a meter are measured with a
We cannot use scale. Then which one we can use? Pin,
Measure-
measuring,
measured tape.
measuring tape. If you going to tailoring shops, you can see a long ribbon like thing. That is the measuring tape. Or when we measure the land, you can see long ribbon like thing. That is the tape. Then sixth question, Niranjan, please unmute and read. Very good. Jonath, you can mute your audio. Niranjan can unmute and read question number 6. Length. The length 1 meter is equal to
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
Very good. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This is the important point in this chapter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Very good. Now Jyoti, please unmute. Sahil, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Jyoti, please wait. Let Sahil say answer for this question. After that, I will ask you.
Okay, ma'am.
Sahil, 1000 meter equal to dash kilometer. How many kilometers?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometers. Very good. This is also an important point in this chapter. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Now, Jyoti again muted. Sahil, very good. You can mute your audio. Already muted. Very good. Now, Jyoti, please unmute.
Ma'am.
To convert a meter into centimeter, meter to centimeter, multiply it by dash. To convert from meter to centimeter, you multiply the number by
Dash.
1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert a meter into centimeter, we have to multiply it by dash. Which number you have to use? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then by which number we have to multiply? My dear, by 100 we have to multiply. Okay.
Okay,
Convert a meter into centimeter. We multiply it by 100.
100.
Okay. Next. Yes, Shivashankaran. Unmute and read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. To convert a kilometer into meter, multiply it by dash. 100.
Kilometer to meter.
Oh, kilometer to meter. 1000.
Yes, multiply by 1000 because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So you have to multiply by 1000. So you can write 1000 here.
Next to convert 4
Very
kilometers.
good, dear. You can mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Abigail, please unmute.
Ma'am.
4 kilometer. You have to convert 4 kilometer into meter.
4,000 meter.
Very good. Because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer equal to, you will get 4000 along with the 4 3 zeros. So 4000 meter. Very good.
Meter.
Very good, dear. You can mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Anika, please unmute. Unmute,
Yes,
my dear.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Convert 8 meter into centimeter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter, my dear?
Meter. 1 meter.
100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So 8 meter equal to how many centimeter?
800 meters.
800, not meters. We are converting now, my dear. So 800 centimeter. Okay. Have you understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter equal to 800 centimeter. Very good, dear. You can mute your audio. Now, Steny, please unmute and read the, give me answer for the next question. Convert 3 kilometer into meter. 3 kilometer.
meter.
Sorry?
3000 meter.
Very good. Because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer equal to 3000. Along with the 3 zeros. 3000 meter. Very good, my dear. You can mute your audio. Now, next question. All of you, please listen. I hope you all have completed this much because very easy questions. Now, Deva, please unmute. Deva, please unmute. Unmute. Okay. Everybody, please listen. In this question, we have to convert 6 meter 5 centimeter into centimeter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter, Deva? Deva, you couldn't unmute. Where is our Deva? Deva, can you hear me? Do you know the answer? 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Here 6 only we have to convert to centimeter. Here 5 is already in centimeter. So we don't want to convert. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then 6 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter 100 centimeter. So 6 meter 600 centimeter.
I'm right.
Yes, you can write. Now you can write. Our question is 6 meter 5 centimeter equal to how many centimeters? So in that 6 meter is 600 centimeter plus 5 centimeter we can write like that itself because it is already in centimeter. So 600 plus 5, what you will get? 600 plus 5. What you will get, Deva? 600 plus 5, what you will get? 600 plus 5? 605. 600 plus 5? 605. How you will write 605? Like this. 605 centimeter. This is the answer for that question. Write all the steps. We have to convert, again I am explaining that. We have to convert 6 meter 5 centimeter into centimeter. We know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then 6 meter equal to 600 centimeter. So 6 meter 5 centimeter equal to 600 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 600 plus 5, when you are adding, you will get 605. So the final answer is 605 centimeter. Now Sana's Natik, please unmute. Unmute, dear.
Ma'am.
Have you done question number 13?
Yes.
What about question number 14? Have you done?
What is no?
Not done. Okay. In that we have to convert 7 kilometer 9 meter into meter. So my question is that 1 kilometer equal to how many meters?
1 meter. 1 kilometer.
1,000
kilometer.
1,000 kilometer. Is it 1,000 kilometer or 1,000 meter?
1,000 meter.
1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meter. So we have to convert this question into meters.
Right, ma'am?
Yes, you can write. Here 9 is meter, so you don't want to convert that. But 7 kilometer we have to convert. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter, then 7 kilometer is how many meter?
7 kilometer is
Uh,
7,000 meter.
7,000
Meter.
meters. So now we can convert 7 kilometer 9 meter into meters. 7 kilometer how many meters?
7 kilometer is
7,000 meters that we
kilometers.
got. And plus 9 meters
9 meter.
that is in the meter itself. 7,000 plus 9. What you will get? 7,000 plus 9.
7,000 plus 9.
7,000 plus 9 is
700.
not 700. 7,009. 7,000 plus 9 is 7,009.
7,009.
Okay.
Okay.
7,009 meters. When you are writing 7,009, just remove the last 0 and write 9, because only one space digit should be 9. So remove the last 0 and write 9 in the place of 0. Like that, when you write 605, remove last 0 and write 5 in the ones place. So once again, those who haven't understood, 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meter. So 7 kilometer equal to 7,000 meter. Our question is, we have to convert 7 kilometer 9 meter into meters. So 7 kilometer, you know, 7,000 meter plus 9 meter you can write as same. Now 7,000 plus 9, you will get 7,009. So 7,009 meters. Anika, are you sitting and playing or writing? Have you completed? Now I hope you all done. Arshika's video got struck. Ishan, writing. Mridul, have you completed? Completed. Oh, your voice is not audible, my dear. Ihan, please turn on your video. Sana, Maria, Karthik, Catherine, your videos are off. Please turn on your videos. Sana, any network issue is there every time? Meenakshi, I didn't see you.
Karthik is net connection issue.
Okay, my dear. Okay, my dear. I understood. Sana also having network issue, I think. What about Meenakshi? Do you have any network issue? Meenakshi? No. Please unmute and speak, Meenakshi. Now, question number 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 15. Everybody now,
Ma'am, sound is breaking.
my sound is low. Now here it is
No.
maximum volume, my dear.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, have you all completed? Have you all completed this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
ma'am.
very easy. We are going to discuss very easy question. So please listen. Please listen. Keep your pencil down and listen.
Ma'am.
The next question is question number 15. You have to add. What do you
Addition
want to add? 246 meter,
meter
40 centimeter plus
122 meter
122 meter
centimeter.
and
25
25
centimeter.
centimeter. This addition is same as the normal what we have learned, that addition. So only the difference is that you have to write, keep one place for meter, here another place for centimeter.
Centimeter.
In the first question, how many meters are there?
And
246. And how many centimeters are there? 40 centimeters. That I will write by another color. 40 centimeters.
And this one to write.
Wait. First you see how to write. After that you can write. 40.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next question. How many meters are there? Next number. How many meters are there?
122.
So when you are writing that, you can write according to the place value. 102. And how many centimeters are there?
25.
25
centimeter.
25 centimeters.
25 centimeter.
25 centimeter.
Yes. Now the addition is same.
240.
Arthur, please mute your audio. Now the addition is same as we have done the addition chapter. Okay. Now
Then we should add this 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2 like that. Hello.
Ma'am.
Can you hear me?
I think
Can you hear me?
network is gone.
Network is
No, ma'am. Network is gone. Ma'am, network is gone.
Connection.
Connection is gone, guys. No. Our network is gone.
Rebecca is the host. Rebecca is the host.
We host. We can Ma'am is the host. Who's the host? Rebecca is not the host.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
No, studio make is the host itself.
now can you all see me?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. So 0 plus 5. What you will get? 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 6. 2 plus 1. 3. The same. So what will be the answer? 368 meters.
625 centimeters.
The same way, will you do question B? Can you all? Question B? Will you do that? Have you understood how to add? Just write as we replace.
Yes. I want to write this. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to do this.
Ma'am.
You have to do this.
A.
Now, only one more question remaining to complete that section.
Ma'am, only answer.
My
ma'am.
dear, in addition, only answer you have to write the addition step also. This like this also you have to write, my dear. Like this also you have to write. Okay.
Ma'am, we want to draw the box.
It will be good if you are drawing like this. Boxes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
The next page, space is there to draw.
Okay, ma'am. I'm finished.
Finished.
No, ma'am. No, no. Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Maybe you have some network issue. If you cannot see the board. My dear children, time is up. Other class children are entering. So
Ma'am.
now I will send in the WhatsApp. Don't worry, those who remaining to send in the WhatsApp. Okay? And do the next question alone. Okay? So thank you, my dear children. Bye.
Thank you,
See you
ma'am.
next day.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.